Alright, so here's how you swap out the hard drive. This is the back underside of the computer. Over here is where the battery goes. And then there's your little stickers over there. And then this right here is the hard drive bay. You just have two screws right there. And you just want to undo those screws. And get the other one. And then there's a little spot for your finger right here. Just flip it right up. It does have tabs in there to keep it in, so sometimes it doesn't want to come up very well. Don't be afraid, just give it a little bit elbow grease and just pull it straight up like that, and then it flips out. And then for getting the hard drive out, under here, you can take your screwdriver, slip it right under, and there's a little plastic tab for you to grab. Just pull it towards the edge, and it'll slip right out just like that. And you can just pull it straight out, get the other hard drive, and then it just goes in reverse. You start at the edge, make sure it's nice and flush there, and then you just push it right in, like so. Put the little plastic thing back down. Take the lid, start at the bottom. You see it has the little tabs. Put it in, push on the sides, make sure it's all in. Might click, might not. And take your screws, put them in. Of course, I guess I should have said at the very beginning of this video, make sure your computer's turned off. But that probably goes without saying. Alright, so there we go. All done. And you can flip it over, put your power cord in, battery in, and turn it on, and you're good to go.